Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, we share content on personal finance and money management. In this video, I will be discussing on 6 different ways through which we can invest in gold. Therefore, please watch this video till the end so that you do not miss out on any new opportunity of investing. The first option that we have is jewelry. Based on recent survey, it is learned that India has around 11% gold reserves within the world. From ancient days, jewelry is considered as an emotion and one of the popular way of accumulating wealth. Let's see what are the pros in investing in jewelry. It can be worn as an ornament in weddings, parties, and other functions, which is considered as a matter of pride within the society. What are the cons in investing in jewelry? It involves making charges in production of jewelry, which can vary from 6% to 14% or more based on the total weight and design of the jewelry. GST rate of 3% is applicable on the total value of the jewelry, which is again additional cost we need to bear while purchasing gold. Utmost care should be taken in order to protect gold from theft when it is kept at home, or if you are keeping it safe locker within the bank, then again locker charges are applicable, which is again an additional expense which you have to bear. Concerns may arise on the purity of the gold if the jeweler is not someone who you know personally. So, personally, I would say if you are purchasing gold only for the sake of investment, then jewelry is not the best option to go for. But, anyways, we may end up purchasing gold for non investment purpose, like for special occasion, like weddings or other events, which is still acceptable. The next option is gold bars or gold coins. Instead of jewelry, one can consider gold bar as an alternative option for investing in gold. Gold bars or gold coins which is readily available in jewelry shops. What, what are the pros in investing in gold bars? No making charges involved. Purity is guaranteed. They say 99.9% pure as it comes with hallmark, so that is no question of the purity. What are the cons in investing in gold bars? 3% GST will be applicable, same as jewelry. Storage and safety is a matter of concern even in gold bars. Third option of investing in gold is through digital gold. To put it in layman's terms, if you are investing in digital gold, you are simply investing in a form of physical gold but buying it virtually. Confused? Let me explain it to you. You are holding on to the same amount of gold that you would have held physically, but it is in digital form. And just like physical gold, you can very easily sell it or even buy it or even buy more until you're pleased with your investment. Furthermore, you can buy it with a minimum investment of rupees 1 as well. There are a lot of platforms like Tanishq, Paytm, Jar which facilitate the trading of this digital gold. What are the pros in investing in digital gold? No storage is needed as it is in digital form. Purity is guaranteed again as it is in digital form. High liquidity as you can sell it off at any time. Can start off with minimal investment value that is from rupees 1, which is a great advantage. What are the cons in investing in digital gold? Again, GST rate of 3% is applicable. Usually, these platforms charge around 5 to 7% of this digital gold as a part of their charges. Next option that we have is gold exchange trade funds. There are various exchange trade funds or commonly called as ETFs of gold. which are traded within the stock market. These ETFs can be purchased and sold through demat accounts. Check out the link in description in case if you don't have a demat account. ETF is a traded fund that is parallelly affected by the increase or decrease of gold price, which turns into stock market investment called ETF investments. The value of these ETFs is directly related to the market value of gold and vary based on fluctuations in gold price. What are the pros in investing in gold ETF? Cost of ETF is very low from around 0.5 to 0.6% of total investment. As in, if you are purchasing gold worth rupees 100, then in that case, you will be receiving 99.50% worth ETF and balance zero point 0.5 rupees will be charged towards maintenance cost of the ETF. It's an intangible gold which is a purity guaranteed gold and liquidity is brilliant as you can sell it again at any time during the stock market trading hours. Fifth option that we have is gold mutual fund. Axis, SBI, Kotak, etc. Mutual fund houses offer gold mutual fund. These type of mutual funds would make investment in gold and as increase or decrease in gold rate, the value of these mutual funds or net asset value will be impacted. So based on the net asset value of that mutual fund, one can buy gold mutual funds. NAV means nothing but as you have price of a share, similarly the market value of a mutual fund. The expense of these gold mutual funds would be around 0.5 to 0.6% when you buy them directly. What are the pros in investing in gold mutual fund? No storage charges applicable as it is in digital form. No GST applicable, which is a blessing. What are the cons in investing in gold mutual fund? Fees, which is also known as expense ratio. It includes fees that will be applicable as per the mutual fund company norms. I always suggest you to buy these mutual funds directly through apps like Zerodha, Grow, or Angel rather than buying through mutual fund agents who charge commission around 1 to 1.2%, which makes huge impact when you invest amount in these mutual funds for long term. Final option that we have is investing through sovereign gold bond, which is again my favorite way of investing in gold. Government issues gold bonds for sales in portions and intervals. One such interval is called as tranche, and a tranche is an open for a maximum of 4 to 5 days. You can apply for sovereign gold bonds online during the subscription period. Next series will be issued between September 11 and 15, 2023. RBI gives a discount of rupees 50 per gram for investors who apply for SGB through an online platform. One can invest in these SGBs through demat accounts. Check out the link in description in case if you don't have a demat account or one can also invest through banks. Here, the value of these bonds will directly fluctuate based on the market value of the gold. Additionally, one would earn fixed interest of 2.5% per annum based on your cost of investment on these SGB bonds. Suppose if I invest rupees 1 lakh every year, I would earn interest of rupees 2500 for 1 year. Why we should choose to invest in sovereign gold bond? No storage charges applicable as it is in digital form. No GST is applicable on these bonds. No additional charges involved which makes our charges burden lesser. What are the cons involved in investing in SGB? There is a lock-in period of 8 years, but there is a redeem option post 5 years. Say if you want to redeem is before 5 years, then you cannot redeem the bond in any condition whatsoever. However, it is exempt from capital gain tax on sale of SGB post 8 years. These are the 6 available ways of investing in gold. If you found this video useful, then please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more such informative contents regularly.